Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get your design exposed onto a screen. So here I am designing the Lauren Dwyer new range, and I have selected A3, which is already preset on Illustrator. You can also get A4, but we're going for A3 today. Once my size is selected, I go and make sure that my design is to size. So in order to do that, I head over to View, which is at the top of the screen, and go down to Show Rulers, and this will give you a ruler grid on the top and the side of your screen, and I just click on the side and drag it to the size that I want. I'm going today for 25, and then I just scale down my design so it makes sure that it's at the width of 25 centimeters. Once you've got the size correct, you need to ensure that your design is outlined. And then once it is outlined, you need to make sure that the colour is correct. So it needs to be C, needs to be 75, M needs to be 67, Y needs to be 68, and K needs to be 90. This ensures that it is print ready on our end. Please do not forget to do this on the fill of your design, but also the outline. Once you have finished with that, you need to head over to our website, search for screens, and then find wooden silk screen. We are going for an A3 in size and a 43T in mesh, which we'll show you right now. This ensures that it is suitable for fabric, so make sure you have the correct mesh for what you are printing on. Once I have selected that, I will add it to the cart. After I've added my screen, I need to buy the exposure service, which is available if you search it. Make sure you select the correct size for your screen that you are customizing and add it to your cart. Don't forget any blue tape or any ink if you need it. After that, you need to just check out. Then you need to send us an email with your artwork on. It can be an AI or a PDF file, and then we can print it onto our transparency papers, which will then be turned into your screen. First of all, we emulsion your screen, then we expose your design. Rinse your design down, and then it's ready to be delivered. So guys, I got my special delivery. As I've shown you the process of how to make a screen, to make it print ready, here is, this is exciting, my new design on the screen, ready for orders. And I'm literally about to print these because I've got quite a few orders for this design. I'm very excited about this. And there we go, the design onto a screen, ready to go. And the brilliant thing about emulsion is it literally lasts for ages and ages. In fact, I have screens with emulsion on that have lasted me 5 years. So it lasts. So it is definitely worth investing in getting it emulsioned and getting it exposed, because it will last you a long time. Vinyl is great, and so is the Yupo paper and things. They're brilliant for like their one-offs or the ones that you don't do very often. But if you're doing it a very frequent design, then this is the way to go. So I cannot wait to show you what this looks like when I've got the design onto some t-shirts. So stay tuned. Bye! So with my new design on my new screen, I'm very excited. I need to prep it. So in order to prep it, I need to flip it and blue tape it. So as you can see around the edging, there might be a slight gap where the emulsion hasn't covered the entire screen. It's completely normal, and they still work brilliantly, but you just need to mask this off to ensure that no ink penetrates through it onto the garment where you don't want it to be. So I need my blue tape. I've got some back. I literally love this stuff. So I use my blue tape. Bit noisy, sorry guys. And I'm just matter of taking off and cutting the areas that I want to cover. And if, for example, you have an element of the design that you just don't like anymore, so say for example I don't like that star anymore, you see that one there, I could literally just tape it and then it wouldn't print through anymore. So it's really good, it can make your designs a little bit different, a little bit interchangeable, just by simply retaping. So once that is all done, I am ready to go. So I have my screen now all covered and it is ready to print. Blue tape is on. Just smooth it a little bit, make it look pretty. And there we go. So now I am ready to print this